I look like I'm going on safari. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name's Julie. Today I am doing an unboxing of my summer FabFitFun box. It's gigantic and it did come in like 2 weeks ago. Inside is this really cute little sunbathing image. That's gonna be me all summer. And yeah, let's just get right into it. This box is massive. You do get to choose some of your items, or I think actually all your items for FabFitFun. So first thing is some advertisements, HelloFresh and Mulk, whatever that is, okay? They do also have a little fruit snack sample. First thing I see is this gigantic box. Moon and Moon ceramic pitcher. I did choose this item. You guys, I think every item you get to choose in FabFitFun. Beautiful. I have been brewing a lot of herbal teas and then like drinking it throughout the week. That's why I chose this item. Right now I'm using like this glass vase that I have, but I thought this would be perfect. I do wish it came with like a lid, but I'll just put like tinfoil over it. So awesome, that's the first item. Then this is the Voluspa Ombre Aura perfume. Gorgeous. Okay, so Ombre Aura, this is radiate the power of the golden touch. Warm amber, pomegranate, beach flower. Middle notes are rice flower, patchouli, and the dry down is cashmere wood, leather, and warm amber. It smells so good. It's a very obviously warm, leathery type smell. The top note, like the initial smell of it, reminds me of Baccarat, but it deepens and sweetens in a way that Baccarat does not. Actually, this smells so good, and I'm not a fan of Baccarat Rouge at all. But this has like the deepness, and it's layered beautifully. I really smell the leather in this. What a wonderful fragrance. Next is the Anna New York. Oh yeah, I also chose these. They're like abalone charcuterie utensils. And I have a set similar that are much smaller and they actually broke. I use these like every holiday or if I have people over. So definitely chose these items. And I just thought these would be great to add to like my kitchen. Love that. Okay, I did choose like a mystery item as one of my options. And you know what? At this point I should know better because they always include one of these like preloaded sponges in their mystery items. And of course, that's what's in here. This is Cocoa Bond. This actually smells really good. The other ones kind of smelled floral and a little grandma-like, but this one smells so good. This is the Molten Brown Postal Cypress and Fennel Shampoo. This was part of the mystery item as well. And oh yeah, that smells awesome. It definitely has like a coastal smell, and I love getting shampoos and conditioners and body washes, so love that. And then last, in that mystery item that I chose, this is the Louis Whitening Smile Wand. It contains 2 whitening wands. Okay, so these are like whitening wands that have essential oils. It has bergamot clove, naturally antibacterial, safe for sensitive teeth. It says it works immediately, portable and friendly. I'm looking for instructions on like how to use them. You know, sometimes you have to like dry your teeth or like leave it on. It has literally no instructions. So I think you just like paint it on and you're good to go. That's kind of cool. I remember when like whitening wands were a thing, probably like 10 years ago. I actually have some really good whitening strips that I'm using that I got in a FabFitFun box like a few months ago. So, okay, and then is another Molten Brown shower gel. Man, I guess I really went hard with like the shower items, this box, but ooh, that is in Heavenly Ginger. That's like a super fresh, almost like tea leaf type smell. The last 2 items in this box, I chose this like straw hat for summer. This is from Eugenia Kim, and this honestly was a risk for me because I do have kind of a small head. This one has like strings you could tighten it, which is why I chose it. Ooh, it actually fits so good. I look like I'm going on safari. This is actually really cute though. It's a little misshapen from being flat in the box, but a few trips to the beach and we'll be good to go. This is a cutie. I like this one. Okay, and last is a necklace. This is from Sahira Jewelry, and it's this really cute little toggle. These are 18 karat plated. It says it's tarnish and waterproof. This one I chose just I thought it'd be really cute to like layer. Cute. All right, you guys, that is what was in my FabFitFun Summer Edit box. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought about the box. Also, let me know if you get the subscription, what was in your box. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.